Let's run some errands together and get my nails done on a random Saturday. Way too hot to wear this dress, but I was told to embrace the sweaty smiley face marks or sweat smiley face. I don't know. Learned this today. Decided to do it. Love that. But I got distracted as I do, and I ended up cleaning my shoes instead. Looks good. I'm happy. Eventually made it into the car. Realized I needed to get some petrol because it's been like this for a hot minute. So we stopped to the petrol station and then to the butcher because I was told it stocked my bun bras that I have in the morning. So I was super happy about that. And then let's get these bad boys done. But I fixed my phone screen first as well. Dropped it at the gym or thrown it away at the gym. I don't know. Also got catcalled in the parking lot before this. And fuck, guys, don't do this to women. Like, this gives us anxiety. That is not a compliment. That is no woman ever has enjoyed a catcall. Then I got some laundry and went to Aldi for that, and finally got to enjoy my little nails here. Was very, very happy, although it's a bit out of my comfort zone. Get some colors back with Zeus at home in the aircon. And I also tested him and I got his approval for the nails. You know, I'm usually more neutral girly, but I needed to add some colors, but I didn't want to be Christmassy, and he was happy about it, so I was happy.